Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Zack Ryder in Wrestling Empire. First, navigate to the character editor and select a new male wrestler. You'll want to give him a light skin tone for an authentic look. Next, find a medium-length, spiky brown hairstyle that closely matches his iconic appearance. Pay attention to the hair color to ensure it's a natural brown. This initial setup forms the essential foundation for your custom character. Now, let's focus on his signature attire. Choose black wrestling trunks or shorts as the base for his lower body. For accessories, add white knee pads to both legs and white wrist tape on each arm. Complete the look with white wrestling boots, ideally with some black detailing or laces, to capture his classic ring gear. These elements are crucial for an accurate representation. Moving on to his in-ring persona, select an entrance animation that conveys confidence and high energy, reflecting his vibrant personality. For his moveset, ensure you include a running knee strike, often called a Broski boot, as a signature move. His finisher should be a lifting reverse SDO, known as the Rough Rider, to complete his authentic wrestling style. These moves are key to his character. For the final touches, adjust his height to approximately 6 feet 2 inches and his weight to around 210 pounds to match his real-life physique. Set his personality traits to charismatic and aggressive, which truly embodies his character. With these steps, your Zack Ryder creation will be ready for the ring. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.